One of the top courses is the complete cybersecurity course, Hackers Exposed, by Nathan Hunter. This course covers the basics of cybersecurity, including protecting your data and identifying common threats. Another great option is Learn Ethical Hacking from Scratch by Zaid Sabih. And I'll put all the spelling in the description. If you're interested in ethical hacking and penetration testing, this course is perfect for you. Cybersecurity for Beginners by Jason Dion is a fantastic starting point, offering simple explanations for complex topics and helping you build a solid foundation. Now, for those looking to understand network security Fundamentals by Pradeep Gohil is a great choice. And finally, CompTIA Security Plus Certification by Mike Meyers prepares you for the CompTIA Security Plus exam. It's a valuable certification in the cybersecurity industry. So these courses are going to give you the tools to become a cybersecurity expert and open up new career opportunities. I'll put everything I said in the description, and if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.